Welcome to the best picks. The best RC truck is probably one of the most exciting ways to experience the thrill of off-road racing in miniature. These trucks are designed to replicate the look and feel of real-life short-course racing vehicles, offering impressive speed, agility, and the ability to tackle various terrains. Whether you're a seasoned RC enthusiast or a newcomer, the RC short-course truck promises hours of fun and excitement. Number 5. DEERC DE45 RC Monster Truck, 4WD, Metal Shell. Get ready for an off-road experience with this amazing RC truck. It's a 1/14 scale monster truck with a durable metal shell, perfect for any terrain. This 4WD rock crawler features dual motors and can climb up to 45 degrees. The realistic cockpit design adds to the fun, making it ideal for enthusiasts of all levels. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, providing up to 90 minutes of playtime. The USB charging cable makes it easy to keep the fun going, so you don't have to stop the great moments. The 2.4 GHz remote control system ensures a stable signal and prevents interference. It allows multiple vehicles to play simultaneously with a control distance of about 165 feet. With anti-slip tires, shock absorbers, and a front bumper, it's built to handle any challenge. Drive it on the beach, sand, rocks, or concrete, it can handle it all. This RC car has LED headlights, making it the center of attention. It's the perfect gift for birthdays or any special occasion, encouraging family fun and outdoor play. What we like. This truck's metal shell and dual motors make it incredibly durable and capable on various terrains. It also offers an impressive 90 minutes of playtime. If you are looking for a reliable and long-lasting RC truck for both indoor and outdoor fun, this is the one for you. What people say. It's very well made and is an amazing price for the value. It has really good shocks and a sturdy body. It drives and reverses well. Number 4. DEERC 14210, 50 plus MPH Brushless RC Car. Get ready to experience incredible speed. This 4x4 RC car can reach speeds of over 50 miles per hour in seconds. It's powered by a high-torque brushless motor, making it perfect for racing on any terrain. This RC car comes with 2 powerful batteries, providing extended playtime. The advanced battery technology ensures rapid acceleration and long-lasting fun. You can enjoy up to 40 minutes of playtime. Durability is key with this RC car. It features a robust metal drivetrain and a reinforced chassis designed to withstand impacts. This ensures it can handle the toughest terrains, offering up to 50% longer durability. This RC car is packed with metal upgrades for both performance and longevity. The enhanced cooling system keeps it running smoothly, even during intense races. Steel CVDs ensure efficient power transfer for quicker acceleration. Conquer any surface with this monster truck. It features adjustable oil-filled shocks and large tires for optimal handling. Whether it's sand, grass, or snow, this RC car is ready for off-road adventures. What we like. With its powerful brushless motor, this RC car can reach speeds of over 50 miles per hour, offering an exhilarating experience. The metal drivetrain ensures durability, allowing it to handle tough terrains. If you crave high-speed action and robust performance, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Parts were easy to get on Amazon if you follow the numbers in the parts manual and are interchangeable with similar 1/14 scales. 70% is fast and manageable. 100% is extremely fast, but I did notice a better response in the steering, but I could be my imagination. Then there is an overriding where you can press the on button 5x and holy smokes, it is lightning speed. Wheelie bar option is actually a necessity on dry roads and the power just piles on. Accidentally ran it into a slide base at full speed, and despite expecting serious damage, the car was unharmed. Number 3. DEERC 9201 E110 RC Truck with Lights. This large-scale RC car is equipped with a powerful motor and all-terrain tires. It's designed for high-flying adventures in any weather. Get ready to experience the thrill of the DEERC 9201. The RC truck comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, providing over 40 minutes of driving fun. Each battery offers about 20 minutes of playtime. You'll quickly see how this short-course truck elevates performance. The built-in powerful motor delivers impressive speed and acceleration. It can reach speeds up to 48 km/h. The heat sink helps maintain performance and extends the motor's lifespan. The 2.2 kg servo provides precise control and quick response. The 30A ESC delivers great power, torque, and top speed. This helps the 9201 dominate on any track. The independent suspension and anti-skid tires ensure stability on any terrain. The aggressive tread pattern helps it tackle any challenge. This car is ready for any adventure. What we like. This RC truck boasts a high-speed motor, allowing for exciting races and adventures. It also comes with 2 batteries for extended playtime. If you are looking for a fast and versatile RC car that can handle any terrain, this is the one for you. What people say. It had good power to drive through grass, even steep inclines, as well as hop a curb when I was playing with it. The battery did last a good amount of time, and it also comes with an extra battery, which is def great considering the price of the car. It is quick for the price. The batteries last a decent amount of time. It is used by a 5-year-old and crashed daily. It has been a year and only broke 1 wheel. Number 2. DEERC S767 RC Monster Truck for Beginners. This is the perfect RC car for beginners. It has a sleek design and is ready to go right out of the box. It's a fantastic gift for young enthusiasts. The truck features a sturdy rear wing and front bumpers for protection. Its composite chassis provides a great balance of strength and performance. This design ensures it can handle various terrains. Despite its size, it's remarkably powerful, reaching speeds over 7 miles per hour. It has metal shock absorbers and all-terrain tires for a smooth and dynamic driving experience. The tires provide excellent grip on different surfaces. Enjoy over 40 minutes of playtime with the 2 included rechargeable batteries. The set also includes a USB charging cable for easy charging. You can charge it and get back to playing quickly. The 2.4 GHz radio system offers reliable control up to 262 feet. It allows multiple players to enjoy the fun simultaneously. Gather your friends and start your RC adventures together. The S767 is user-friendly and an ideal introductory RC gift. Invite a friend and start your own RC truck racing series. It's easy to learn and fun to play. What we like. This RC car is designed with beginners in mind, making it easy to learn and enjoy. It also offers a good playtime with 2 batteries and a durable design. If you're looking for a great introductory RC car for kids, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Works great inside or outside on paved roads. Coming with 2 rechargeable batteries is great. Easy to play with even for a 3-year-old and entertaining even for a 6-year-old. It performs stunts and is well made. It goes fast and drives smoothly. Number 1. DEERC H16R Brushless RC Car. This car boasts a powerful 2835 3550 kV brushless motor with an aluminum heat sink. It also includes a separate receiver and a waterproof 35A ESC, ensuring you can have fun even when it's raining. Equipped with a 2.1 kg 3-wire servo with metal gear complement, this car offers excellent steering and power. It easily handles various terrains, providing a smooth and controlled driving experience. The oil-filled metal shocks protect the electronics and reduce wobbling at high speeds. The combination of metal differentials, dog bones, and drive shafts creates a strong and durable drive system. With 2 7.4V 1500 mAh rechargeable batteries, it provides up to 40 minutes of driving time. It can reach speeds of up to 52 km/h, delivering a more powerful and durable performance. Featuring a professional 2.4 GHz remote control, it offers a 150-foot range without signal interference. You can set the throttle limit at either 70% or 100%, making it perfect for beginners. What we like. Equipped with a brushless motor, this RC truck delivers impressive speeds and performance. The metal drive system enhances durability and power transfer. If you like a high-speed, durable RC car, this is the one for you. What people say. This car is extremely powerful, quick, fast, tough, besides the body cracking, and fun. It has four-wheel drive with metal differentials, so the wheels can spin at different speeds to help with cornering. The remote also has a steering trim adjustment, a throttle, a wheel to steer, and a button to turn on the headlight on the car, super bright at night. The car also has oil-filled shocks that feel nice, and when you're going forward and push the reverse throttle, the car brakes to a stop without continuing to back up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.